So we've broken down the Gnathostomata into two classes, class Chondrichthyes and class Osteichthyes. Chondrichthyes includes sharks, skates, rays, and ratfish, and Osteichthyes are the bony fish. And if you look at the terms themselves, chondra means cartilage, and oste means bone, and then ichthyes relates to fish. So this just the two categories of fish that we'll be talking about. The bony fish are further divided into lobe-finned and ray-finned. So chondrichthyes, chondro means cartilage, like I said. Ichthyes means fish. So we've got sharks, skates, rays, ratfish. They range from carnivores to scavengers. Most of them are marine dwelling, so you'll find them in the ocean. They have biting mouth parts. They have paired appendages. Their scales are called placoid scales. And when we dissect our dogfish, which is a type of shark, you'll be able to feel how it's kind of like sandpaper texture. And they've actually used dried shark skin as sandpaper. And then they have a cartilaginous endoskeleton. They are not made of bone. They have cartilage for their skeleton. But these are placoid scales that are adapted, and they become the teeth for the shark, and they can be shed and regrown. The bonus part of these scales is that they help reduce drag when they're swimming. It makes them more streamlined, more hydrodynamic, so they can swim faster. Okay, then now we go into a further classification, subclass Elasmobranchii. Elasmo means plate or metal. Branchia refers to the gills. These are sharks, skates, and rays. There's about 820 species, and their plate that they're talking about are the placoid scales. And here's a skeleton with shark teeth, and they are modified placoid scales, like I said before, and they grow in rows. As the outer teeth wear out, the new teeth move into position from the inside of the jaw and replaces them. And then the largest living shark, you can see one of them right here. They're called whale sharks, and they're actually filter feeders. They're not carnivorous, really. They're just kind of filter feeders. And they have a pharyngeal arch that helps to strain plankton out of the water. Okay, so the most feared shark is probably the great white shark, because these are the ones that are typically the ones that bite people. You know, honestly, shark attacks don't happen very frequently, but when they do, it's typically a great white that gets the blame. This is the same shark that's in the movie Jaws, so that could also be why people fear that shark. Okay, skates and rays, they live on the ocean floor, typically in shallow water, and they have wing-like appendages that help them swim, and they have very good camouflage that helps them blend into the ocean sand. But they are carnivores, so they do eat other little fish and crustaceans and stuff, and you can see in the right-hand picture, if you were to flip them over, you can see how their anatomy looks. They have the gills underneath their mouth, they have nostrils, they have cloaca, which is where their wastes exit, and then their tail. And the tail does have like spines on it so that they can use it for defense or capturing prey. And then we have another subclass, Holocephali. The holo means whole and cepha means head. These are the ratfish. They do not have scales, and their gill does have an operculum. Their gills do, and then their teeth are large plates for crushing. They're not really sharp. They're more like plates to crush things. So this is the end of part 3 of the notes, and you can continue on to part 4.